Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. In the heart of Bengali cuisine, there is a dish that is a celebration of flavor, tradition, and comfort. Cholar Dal, a dish that is often prepared for special occasion, festival, or simply to enjoy with loved ones. First, we begin by soaking the chana dal in water for about an hour. This makes dal soft and ready to cook. First, we will boil the dal. Now let's prepare the tarka. The heart of any Bengali dish. In a pan, heat the ghee and oil. Once the ghee is hot, add coconut. After a minute, add a raisin. After a good fry, keep them aside. Now add more ghee and oil. Add cinnamon stick, cardamom, bay leaves, dry red chili, cumin seeds. The spices will begin to release their fragrance, and this is where the magic begins. Now add ginger, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, salt and sugar and stir. Now you will notice the aromas filling the air, bringing warmth and a hint of spice to your kitchen. By now your dal is tender, ready to absorb the flavors of the tarka. Pour the dal and give it a good stir. Now add fried coconut and raisin. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. To make it even more special, sprinkle in some garam masala and ghee. Let the dal simmer for a few more minutes to let all the flavors melt together. And here it is, your very own bowl of cholar dal in Bengal. Cholar dal is often paired with luchi, but you can also enjoy it with steamed rice. It's the kind of dish that makes you feel at home no matter where you are.